welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing 4 dresses from Anthropologie. Now I've never tried any dresses from them before, and one dress really caught my eye on their website and I thought I might as well show you guys what I get. So I haven't got hundreds to show you because for those of you who don't know, Anthropologie is a bit more of a pricier brand, but their stuff looks gorgeous. So I've never tried it before, so we're going to review the quality and fit together today. And as usual, everything will be linked down below if you would like to check any of the items out. But yeah, let's get to it. So I'll start with the dress that made me do this whole haul in the first place. Now, it is gorgeous. Let me take it out of its packaging. So this dress, it is £300. You know, it's not a cheap dress, but it could double as like a prom dress or like a really fancy evening dress. So it has potential, but I just fell in love with the embroidery. Like, look at that, and it's even got cups built in. I'm just obsessed with it. Like, I'm quite an eccentric person anyway. I know I don't look it today, these are just my runaround clothes, but if this was in like a corset style top, I would wear it casually every day. That's the type of clothes I like to wear. But let's just take that out. So I got it in a size small, and obviously I've never tried their sizing before, so I don't know if that's going to be too big or too small, but look at the detailing on the straps. And it's kind of like, oh no, it is, I thought it was midi length, but obviously their models are like 5'9" and above. So I think on me it's going to be a lovely floor length gown. But oh, let's just put it on because I'm so excited. Just look at the detailing of that. Like, I just want to give you guys a close up. The quality of the embroidery is next level. Like, it is just stunning. So much so that the price kind of matches the quality, which is what you would expect. But I don't feel like it's been overvalued at all. Like, this is stunning. Let's put it on. So this is how it fits, and I had to put some fancier jewelry on because I do feel like royalty in this. It is gorgeous, but I do recommend sizing down. So I'm wearing the size small, which is way too big for me. Like, it's a good size too big. So I would class their size small is more like a UK size 10. So if you're a UK 8, I would go for their extra smalls. But the quality of this dress, oh my days. This is beautiful, and the length of it is perfect with heels. I do love this dress. You just got to get the sizing right. But it is beautifully made. I mean, the embroidery on it is spectacular, although I'm not sure I like the cups. They kind of just very much sit on top, which is fine, but I think maybe if it was like a little bit smaller for me, it would fit me better up top and then I'll love it. But because it's a bit big for me, I think it just sits on top rather than like gives you any support, but I guess that's just down to the sizing. But this is a stunning dress. Like, I love the layers. It feels just, it's got a lovely quality to it. So no, I love it. And the detailing of this embroidery, I know I keep saying it, but it is truly stunning. And the extra detailing on the straps here, it is a beautiful dress, I must say. Like, really, really gorgeous. Just, you have to size down. That's my one recommendation with this one. So the next dress I got is also a heavily embroidered one, but more of like a casual maxi dress type. So let me just take it out. You can see all the colours in the packaging. There we are. So it's all protected with tissue paper and everything. So let me just do that. So I did get this one in an extra small, if I remember correctly. Yes, which they say their extra small is a UK 6. So their small is meant to be a UK 8, but this is a big UK 8. So definitely on this style of dress, size down. But this is this dress, and it is so heavy, guys. Like, this is a beautiful quality. It's this navy blue embroidered maxi dress, and I just thought it's just such an unusual kind of fabric type, and it's really thick. Like, it'll actually be quite warm, I think. And this one is also a £300 dress, but I think if I remember rightly, this one's in the sale, or maybe it's not. I can't remember, they'll be linked down below, but they're just very high quality dresses. So I'm just gonna throw this one on and we can see what it looks like. I'm in love with this dress, and this is their extra small, which is equivalent to a UK size 6, and it fits perfectly. So I think they're not true to size, Anthropologie, they're one size below your normal size. So just keep that in mind if you are shopping there. but the quality of these dresses is next level. Like, this is so heavy with embroidery, but in the perfect way. Like, I love all the designs on it. I love the colours they've used. It's just such a feminine and fun dress. And I think it could be quite, like, I could wear this at any point in the summer as like a really nice maxi dress, but then it can also be dressed up for like events or things like that. I just love it. And it's the perfect length for me. Like, with heels, it is bang on perfect, which I just love. And it moves so nicely with me. Like, it just has that weight to it that I love. Only thing, if I had to pick one thing I wasn't a massive fan on, it's this panel here. So it has that kind of like stretchy panel here to make it adjustable for more people. I wish it had some more colour to it. The whole dress is covered in multicoloured embroidery, and then that panel at the back is just plain navy blue. And I'm just like, it's nice, I don't hate it, but I feel like it doesn't quite gel. So for the price of the dress, I would want that to kind of blend a bit more. And the straps aren't adjustable. So I know maybe people don't like having the adjustable like metal things to move up and down, but it just makes it so much more like customizable for people. You know, you can make it a little bit higher if you like, or a little bit lower if you're more busty. So it's missing that, but apart from that, the overall quality of this dress is a 10 out of 10, like it really is. So I love that. And, oh, I've missed out the most amazing factor. Are you guys ready? It has pockets, which I just love. Like, it just makes me feel like I could wear this dress more like casually, like in the summer. You know, by adding the pockets, it's just a win-win. Although I would hate for like every photograph of me to be with my hands in my pockets. I think it's asking for that because they're so comfortable. So I need to remember to take my hands out. But no, I love this dress. It is so fun. This panel here, I'm not sure on. So let me know what you think. But yeah, it's just kind of, it sticks out to me. That's what I don't like. I want it to all kind of gel as one. But anyway, let's jump to the next. So the last embroidered dress I got is this black one. So let me just carefully open it for you guys. I should really do this before I film. Would be better. And I just fell in love with the embroidery of this one. Oh, it's like a kind of like a cotton, so this would be really nice in hot weather. And I got this one in there size 8. So again, I think this one might be on the larger side now that I know my sizing in Anthropologie. But this is what it looks like. So I just fell in love with the simplicity of the embroidery, and I loved the puff sleeves. But looking at it now, I'm not sure this is going to be my style, if I'm honest, but I will throw this one on and we can see what it fits like. This one is a little bit cheaper. This one's only 160, so I say only, it's still a lot of money, but it's more affordable than, say, the one I'm wearing. But I love this dress. Like, I would 100% wear this, and I would forgive the panel at the back if it was a little bit cheaper. But I'm gonna throw this one on and we can see what it fits like. So this is what it looks like on, and I've got to say I'm disappointed with this one. Like, the quality isn't bad, the embroidery is lovely, it's just not a good fit at all. So I must have loved this on the model and it just hasn't reciprocated itself onto me. So it is too big because this is their size 8, and again, you need to go one size smaller. It's just all a bit enlarged, their stuff. And the length of it is that really awkward length on me, which sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm guessing the model was either lovely and tall or just rocked it a bit better than me. And then I don't like the sleeves. I hate this extra ruffle here. Like, I like bell sleeves, but they've got like this unnecessary like flap here, and then they're too short. They're like a really awkward kind of in-between length. So I've got to say, I loved the first 2 dresses, but I don't really have anything good to say about this one, apart from that it's got a lovely embroidery to it, and it has got a lining. It is still a lovely quality, but you know, you expect that from Anthropologie. So yeah, unusual style, this one. It does have a cute little peephole in the back though. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think you can. So potential. You know, I love black dresses and embroidery, but this isn't it. The final dress I got is a jumper dress. Now, I love jumper or knit dresses, but I'm really fussy about their fit. You know, being knitwear is a little bit harder to get that kind of nice tight fit or like flattering fit. You know, sometimes they can just look a little bit weird sizing, you know, they can hang off the wrong curves, and it just doesn't look great on me. So I saw this one and I wanted to give it a go. I also got this one in an extra small, and I think that was mainly because they didn't have a small in stock. So the only reason I picked up extra smalls was because I was like, oh, maybe I can squeeze myself into them. But yeah, they're actually the perfect fit on me, so that was a good thing. Now, honestly, my first thought is this is so soft. Like, this is so soft to touch and super stretchy. Like, look at that. I'm just worried. Look how stretchy that is. Is that gonna lose its shape after a while? Like, you can already see where I stretched it, like those little points there. Interesting. I'm gonna throw this one on and we can see what it fits like. It's almost too like stretchy and slinky. It's lovely and soft, but I'd be worried about it retaining its shape, which I don't know if I'll be able to test today, but let's just put it on and see what it looks like. So this is how this one fits, and I'm honestly really impressed. It's such a comfortable dress. Nothing is tight. I've got to say, I feel like I'm not wearing a dress. It's that soft. So I forgive it for being super soft and super stretchy. They are not negatives. Like, this is a lovely fit dress, and I almost feel like a landscape, like an oil painting of some sort, and that's a compliment. Like, I like that. As a geologist, I'm here for looking like a landscape. I think that's fine, because you kind of got like the sky, then you've got like rock layers going on. Maybe that was their plan, but I see it. This is a really sweet dress. I'm not sure it's going to retain its shape. Like, if I wear it all day long, I wonder if it's going to loosen slightly, but all I know is it's going to be an incredibly comfortable dress to wear, and I think it's quite flattering. It's quite unusual with the stripes, and it's out of all the dresses, it's the cheapest one. So this is £120, so my favourite is the cheapest, but maybe I would love the first dress that little bit more if it was my size. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was just kind of a little haul from Anthropologie, but I needed to get my sizing right, so I'm glad I only got a few items, because it's not true to size. Their stuff is gorgeous and beautiful quality, but I do recommend sizing down at least one size. So if you're unsure, I would order your normal size and the size below, and then you can compare and keep your favourite, because I think they do free returns, or you can try stuff on in store now, which is also an added benefit. But anyway, thank you again for watching. Everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out, along with my social media if you would like to follow me on there. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.